April is National Soy Foods Month, and we're here celebrating with Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission. And Charlene, we've got something that a lot of people love when it comes to soy, edamame.
Yes, we do. And we've done some recipes with the Edamame Corn Salad before, but this is featured in the new Soy Foods Guide, and it's a little bit different twist. You can see here we have 16 ounces of a bag of frozen corn and a 16-ounce bag of the edamame that's been shelled. And then what we did is be sure that you thaw it, because that's going to make a difference in your baking time. But you mix that together and then put it on a baking sheet, put it in the oven at 400 degrees and bake it for about 10 minutes until it starts to turn brown. And you can see it kind of just crisp it up a little bit.
Looks crispy.
And we'll give it just a little bit different texture and flavor for our salad.
All right.
So then take it out, let it cool like we have done here, and we're going to add to this now our cucumbers.
Yeah,
okay. We've got a chopped cucumber, we've got tomato, and you made the comment about how colorful it is, and it is.
So
it's
colorful.
Really a pretty salad. You've got some red onion that we're going to add to this, and then you have a little bit of garlic.
Yes, and forget the garlic.
That's a lot of garlic right
You
there.
can sure smell that, can't wait. Add that in there. And then you have the vinaigrette. Now, I made this in my blender, and it has the red wine vinegar that we've used in there as a base with some basil and oregano to that.
Tell me when to stop, Charlene.
Well, I think that looks good.
Okay.
We'll let you start there. And then just coat that really good. You could refrigerate this now and let those flavors blend really well. But then what we're going to do is
Do I add the salad, or are you going to put it on top of the salad?
We're going to put it on top of the salad. So you can serve this individual servings at your table.
That looks delicious.
Isn't
It
that
smells
pretty?
so good, too.
And so nice and fresh for
the aroma.
all those flavors in it. We have, I'll say that after we put the red wine vinegar in there, we have another soy product, and when you do that in the blender, then we're going to add a half a cup of vegetable oil. Just really slow and let that blend, and you can see how it blended up.
Perfectly.
And, yeah, it blends perfectly.
Okay, we're about out of time. Tell them how to get the Soy Foods Guide.
They can call our number at 877-KS-SOYBEAN and ask for the new Soy Foods Guide, or they can go on to our website at kansassoybeans.org and ask for it there.
And does it cost any extra if you personalize it for them? Will you sign it with a Sharpie and maybe put an 8x10 in there? Charlene Patton of the Kansas Soybean Commission. What are we making on Midday in Kansas today?
We are going to do these wonderful protein bars or balls there, and they're in the recipe book too.
All right, featuring that today. Thanks for that, Charlene.
Thank you.
Be right back.